In this video we're gonna see how to change the headlight bulbs on Renault Scenic 4 as well as all of the front lights including fog lights and direction indicators. Let's check all the bulb types and front lights on this Scenic 4. Daytime running lights are LED and are not meant to be replaced. These are dipped beam lights and we can see that we need a new bulb for the left side. Next to them are main beam lights, which are also H7 bulb type. Direction indicators are on the inner side of the headlamp unit. And down on the bumper are fog lights. First, let's replace the dipped beam headlight bulb because, as we've seen, it's already dead. When you take a look behind the headlight, you can see a rubber cap. Just take it out with your hand. Now we can see where the bulb is inserted, and here are two screws holding it in place. But we actually just need to rotate it slightly and it can come out. Just unplug it, get a new H7 light bulb and plug it in the same way the old one was. On the sides we have metal pieces which we need to lock into place just as they were in the beginning, so we'll have to rotate it back. The procedure for replacing the full beam headlight is the same as for the low beam. Next up are the direction indicators. It's a bit harder to reach them. They are positioned in the inner corners of the headlight, but they have a much simpler system than the main light. The bulb is attached to this big plastic part and we can just rotate it and take it out. To replace the bulb, push down and rotate a bit. Fog lights are down on the bumper and we'll reach them from under. No screws here either, just pull the plastic cover downwards. This is what it looks like inside. Just as we did with the headlight, we need to rotate the fog bulb about 90 degrees. Connector is a bit different though. Press this part and pull the bulb away. And this is how you can replace the front lights on Renault Scenic 4. Subscribe for more videos like this and share your car experiences with everyone in the comments. Thanks for watching.